most adored, it would seem. Quite right too. There's not really much else I want to talk about, to be honest. There's other stuff to talk about. Let's talk about the sunshine. We can talk about the sunshine. It's one of the most gorgeous days ever. One of the most gorgeous April days you'll ever come across. And they're saying it's going to be the hottest day of the year so far, no doubt about that. 28 degrees in some of our major cities. 29 to 30 on the coast. Woohoo! And on the way into work today.
You bloody sheep! Flying around. Don't give a shit, do you? You're going to retreat.
Take the first exit onto Taunton Road, B3187.
Are you ready? I'm ready. I'm ready. Good morning, everyone. This is the Radio
It's a horse.
He's a successful pastry chef with a new dessert parlour in central Birmingham.
I'm a baker and I'm Birmingham born and bred and I'm a fat
Weekend in September and I can book the TVs.
Yeah. What are you doing? I mean, what?
Is he going
What
to
are you
Birmingham?
doing?
He's going to slot into there, isn't he?
Yeah, he is.
Dick.
If I ever put anything on mine.
Oh, you get my country now.
Ambitious, mission-oriented, bold, the pots of public money that actually allowed us to have, growth and innovation-led growth under capitalism. And so lots of the cuts have recently been mainly due to ideology. There's no sort of evidence that says just by reducing your deficit you will grow.
Well,
And in fact,
I was going to say that there is in all of us this little thing that flashes away saying you can't spend what you don't have. It just sounds sensible, doesn't it? So at the bottom of the
Ooh. Fucking hell.
Out there, and I've heard from thousands of them, and I've seen many of them for myself, who are supporting people who are facing loneliness, and it's about connecting people to those activities. And GPs and other health services, including pharmacies,